People in Italy, they didn't have pizza. Can you believe that? Did you know that you can even put pineapple on pizza? Did you know that in Japan they have some sort of sushi pizza?
Yay!
Hello everyone! How are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Gigi? Okay? Are you hungry? You feeling hungry? Because today I'm going to tell you a yummy story about pizza!
Yummy.
Do you like pizza? Because I love it! The birth of pizza. A long time ago, people in Italy, they didn't have pizza. Can you believe that? No pizza. In 1889, a very special pizza was made for a queen. The first pizza was round and had tomato, cheese, and basil. Oh, let's see it. Ooh, nice. Yummy. Can you see all the pretty colors? Nice. Red, yellow, the cheese, and green, the basil. How pizza spread around the world. Soon pizza was everywhere, almost everywhere, but in many countries. And then everyone started to make their own version. Did you know that in Japan they have some sort of sushi pizza? Yes, they have fish on it and it's called sushi pizza. It is pink and white, just like sushi. In Mexico, for example, they add plenty of peppers. So many colors, like green peppers, like yellow peppers, like red peppers, and even mixed color of peppers. Wow, that pizza looks really bright because of all the colors. There are so many types of pizza with different kind of dough and different toppings. Some of them they're big, some of them they're small, some of them they're really cheesy. Those are the ones that I love. Oh, did you know that you can put a lot of things on top of the pizza? For example, something really cheerful, funny, a bit unusual, but some of them they really love it. Did you know that you can even put pineapple on pizza? Some of them hate it, but some of them love it. Do you love it or do you hate it? I think I like it. Wow, so many toppings in here. How many colors can you see? We have the olives, and they are black. We have the cheese, yellow. We have the mushrooms. They're a bit of between gray and brown, more like gray. We have spinach, and that's green. And we have the pepperoni. That's a bit of pink, red, between red and pink. Oh, so many colors. And the pineapple, which is yellow. Making a pizza is really fun. First, we make the dough. And we roll it just like this. Next, the tomato sauce. We spread it on top of the dough. That's a really fun thing to do. Then we sprinkle the cheese. That's a fun thing to do as well. And you can just sprinkle it more and more. This is how I like it. But if you don't like cheese, you don't need to add it. Let's add it in here so we can see how we sprinkle the cheese. Dough, tomato sauce, and now the cheese. Let's add some pepperoni. Let's add some peppers. Let's add some mushrooms. Let's add some olives. Ta-da! And now we need to put the pizza in the oven. So it will start baking. Ooh, wow, the pizza is ready. It looks so yummy. Ooh, wow. Now, let's cut the pizza in how many slices? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices. They look like squares? No. Circles. No. Rectangles? No. Triangles? Yes, they look like triangles! And now let's have the pizza party. Now let's see all the triangles around here. Yay, pizza party, pizza party, pizza party. Oh, I'm so hungry.